In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Internet Protocol or IP address in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you are connected on any internet network, whether Wi-Fi or Ethernet, then this process should help you to find the IP address of your internet connection. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open the search bar and type in control panel. And control panel is here. Click on it to open. Then from here, you need to look for the function called network and sharing, which is this. Click on it and then it will open. Then you'll see here the internet or the type of internet you are connected to. So for my case, I'm connected to Ethernet and I want to find the internet connection or the IP address of this Ethernet internet connection. So if it is Wi-Fi, you'll see the name of your Wi-Fi here and then just click on it. Now to display the IP address of your internet connection, go ahead and click on details. And then from here, you'll be able to see your IP address. As you can see, my IP address is this. And then go ahead and pick the values. So that's how you find your IP address in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.